Subscribe to Jazzy's Recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, this is Jazla Ismat. This was my first trip to Kathankudy and I have visited Kathankudy Heritage Museum, which exhibits the rich culture of the Muslim community in Sri Lanka. When we entered the museum, there were many people along with school children who were accompanied by their teachers. This museum was opened by former Deputy Minister MLA Hizbullah on 15th April 2015 and lies in a 3-storied building. The entrance fees are 50 rupees for local adults and 20 rupees for local children. I was transformed completely to a school life with an extreme level of curiosity and excitement. I felt each and every antiquities narrate different stories in various ways. This museum carries a good collection of old tools, household items and ceramics. This is a model house of Muslim family as we have same kind of antique easy chair and old deer antlers which was used as hangers by our great-grandparents. I read a story of first police hero Muhammad Saban who sacrificed his life for nation. Out of all, what attracted me the most was this particular model of an old days mosque made out of clay and sticks with Cajun roof. These are the items which used as the kitchen items such as mortar, grinding stone, coconut scraper, sawan. This traditional weaving machine speaks that the main business of Muslim community was in garment industry. It was quite interesting to see the great contrast between the modern tools and those used in the past. The most interesting ones were life-size clay model depicts the cultural event of the community. Muslim community who were mostly involved in fishing, cultivation and trading apart from garment industry. This is the model Quran Madrasa where children sit together to learn from alims. Here, statues of Muslim leaders representing the King Parakramabahu cabinet was also placed at museum. These are the clothes and wearables of the ancient Muslim community, which includes saris, jewelry, caps and shoes, etc. Seeing one by one, I felt joy of great sense of history. It's inexplicable, especially when we have the passion for Muslim community and country. The rich history of ancient Muslims, their lifestyles and the underrated sacrifices and achievements took me many years back. It was an amazing experience that my family and I will never forget. If you like this video, like and share the video and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching.